Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube and Facebook channel. Today, pag-uusapan po natin ang isang malalim na stoic wisdom tungkol sa beauty inside and out. Hindi lang kagandahan ng mukha o katawan, kundi ang kagandahang nagmumula sa loob. If you're searching for meaning, support, and inner peace, this message is for you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and watch until the end. Stoic teaching about beauty, inside and out. In Stoicism, true beauty is not something that fades with time. Outer beauty, face, body appearance is temporary. It changes with age, hardship, and circumstances. But inner beauty, your character, discipline, kindness, wisdom, and integrity grows stronger with time. Ang Stoic philosophy ay nagtuturo na what truly makes a person beautiful is not how they look, but how they live. Beauty on the outside, yes. Taking care of your body and appearance is not wrong. Stoics believes the body is a tool, not your identity. You may dress well, look confident, and present yourself properly, but never attach your self-worth to it. Because one day, looks will fade, and if your value depends on only on appearance, your confidence will collapse when beauty disappears. Beauty on the inside, this is where Stoicism becomes powerful. Inner beauty is shown through calmness under pressure, kindness without expecting praise, strength in silence, discipline when no one is watching, integrity even when it's hard. Ang taong may panloob na ganda ay hindi kailangang magyabang. They don't seek validation. Their presence alone brings peace. Stoics teach us that a beautiful soul remains steady even when the world is unpredictable. Outer beauty attracts attentions. Inner beauty earns respect. Outer beauty may open doors. Inner beauty keeps them open. Outer beauty makes people look at you. Inner beauty makes people trust you. Sa Stoic mindset, true beauty is self-mastery. When you control your emotions, your ego, your anger, and your desires, you become powerful. And that power is beautiful. Why this matters today in a world obsessed with filters, likes, and appearances, Stoicism reminds us character lasts longer than compliments. You don't need to be the most attractive person in the room. You need to be the strongest in values, the calmest in storms, and the kindness in silence. The kind of beauty never fades. Final stoic reminder, work on your body, yes, but build your mind and soul first. Because when looks are gone, your character will speak for you. If this message touched your heart, please like this video, share it with someone who needs this reminder, and subscribe to my channel for more stoic wisdom about life, strength, and inner peace. Yun guys, watch again, reflect deeply, and carry this lesson with your everyday. Thank you for watching. Stay calm, stay strong, stay beautiful inside and out.